So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete payment method on Google Play Store. So what you need to do is, you cannot do it on your Google Play Store. Just go to your Chrome browser. Once you go to your Chrome browser, you can see go to google.com. Once you go to google.com, it's going to take you to Google. Then here, go to payment.google.com. Once you click on it, you need to sign into your Google. You will see here. Now click here, sign into Google account. Once you sign into Google account, you have access to all your Google accounts here now. So you have the activities on your Google, your payment method, your subscription, your addresses, and your settings. Now I want to delete my payment method. So what I need to do is, I'm going to click on payment method, and this is the payment method that I have here. You can see if you want to add another one, you can add another payment method. If you want to remove, I'm just going to remove. So if you remove, it's the same thing as delete. So I'm just going to click on remove, and you wait for it to load a little, and you can see remove payment method. Click on remove, and this is, so you can see there's no any payment method there. So if you want to add another one, just click on add payment method. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe. See you guys.